Hey guys, alright, this is the first video of the restoration of these barbells. There's 3 different kinds here. This is going to be a little simpler than the barbell plates. As you can see, one is pretty badly rusted. It's pretty bad. This one is it's got some rust, but it looks just more like, ooh, that's pretty bad actually too. But overall it's a little better than the other one. And this one is just like this rolling cover and there's not much. It just looks like simple surface rust that's gonna flake off. But the end of the bar, this part is rusty on this bar. So, and these are rusty, I'm gonna take those off. But we have this 3-in-1 oil and the brush from the last one. It did its job, so we got a new brush. It's a little wider. It's got that scraper. I don't remember this one having it. Maybe it just fell off. This one's just wider, so it's just less time. And the bristles seem a little softer on it, so I don't want to like grind down the knurling on these. This part, I don't want to grind that down too much. So, yep, okay. Well, I'm just gonna put some of that oil on here and then scrub away, and we'll see you when I come back. Peace.